So following the same presentation, I don't want to go in detail with that, but let's say for in a unhealthy planet, you have incremental improvements. I mean, you are, let's say, just covering, covering with some ground the dead guy. I mean, you have a problem with energy, you just integrate more incremental stuff. You know the difference between disruptive innovation and incremental innovation? Leo, do you have the, do you have the understanding of that? Incremental innovation and disruptive innovation.
Not really, no.
Okay, there are two types of innovation. Incremental is, say, you have a cell phone and you have an innovation to have put in 4 cameras. This is incremental, it's the same thing. But disruptive innovation is to have something completely different. For example, underskin cell phone. So incremental improvements or innovations are easy. You start with something and you paint or modify little things. Let's say cars. Cars the whole time have only incremental innovations. They're more safer, more efficient, nicer, more aerodynamic, but those are incremental. But shifting for an electromobile is a disruptive innovation. Using fuel cell is a disruptive innovation. And we can do it. You know, you can do it. And in order to understand that, you need to understand Earth systems. And now come the biodiversity, the ecosystem, land, water, air, oceans. That's the reason because we're talking about ecosystem, not because we like ecology and stuff like that, okay? And you know, those are Earth systems. So this is our systems. And then the drivers, in order to move the things, either taking resources, fixing resources, developing technologies, is population growth, development itself. I mean, 10 years, or let's say 20 years ago, you didn't have, let's say, Netflix. You want to have stuff. You want to travel. You want to have nicer things. And technology. And those demands ask you for technologies. For example, just to set your curiosity, do you know anything about heat pipes? Heat from heat? And pipes like tubes, pipes? I ask you, not at the end of the class or today, just browse a little bit about heat pipes. Heat pipes, yeah, for curiosity. It's a very simple thing. By the way, was developed in Israel in the 60s. And now it's being used even in satellites, even a cloth, a jacket. You will like it. I'm fan of that. By the way, I work with that. I've been developing technologies using heat pipes. Very simple concept. I like the idea. Okay, so all these documents is it's a very nice document prepared by the United Nations. You have the link there. I need to warn you, it's 300 megabytes document. I think it's about 500 pages or something like that. I took some of these very nice representations. It's properly explained. As you know, the course has a limit of time, so I'm providing you the information. It was developed in October 2019, so a couple of months ago. So now we're talking about, really recent studies. Okay, it's long, but I like the parts where represent this systemic view. Okay, now it's your turn.